All right, so I just got an inexpensive paint thickness gauge or mill gauge, and let's check it out here. So here's the top of this fender. Let's get that set up there. Yeah. So 2.5 on there. Let's do it on the side. All right, so 1.7 on the side. You can see that paint's worn through. Go down here on the bottom a little bit. About the same there, 1.7, 1.8, oh, 1.9. Get it on there nice and flat though. All right, let's go over to this driver's side here where it's worn through, extremely worn through. You can see the primer's kind of poking through a little bit. So there you go, 1.1. Let's see if we can get it right on the corner there. So for some reason it reads 2 there, which is odd. So we'll just roll it over to the side here a little bit. So that thing is 1 mil thick. Let's go here. Now I did note earlier that the paint was pretty thick right here. So that reads 3.3. A couple other spots around the car here. I know back here, measured kind of thick at one point. 3 mils thick there. So you can imagine if you're painting the car, the sides probably got it quite a bit, but maybe the top's got a little bit more. Let's measure here on the back Dutchman panel. 3.4. Let's measure a couple places here on the roof. 1.9, 1.8. So it's interesting how it's a little bit thicker in some areas. Let's go on the back quarter panel. Now this paint matches really well, so it's kind of odd that we've got anywhere from 3 to 1 mil on the car. Like I said, if you're a human, not a robot, if you're a human running down the line painting cars, it's not going to be very consistent. So it's possible maybe these areas got a little more paint because of no hood, and the paint would come from the engine bay on over to the fender. 2.7 on the top. Go to the side. And it's still 2 in the 2 mil area. So anyway, pretty good tool. There's a calibration that I did with it earlier. It's got metal and film thicknesses, and it's plus or minus like 0.1 millimeter. So it's pretty accurate.